Russia has weapons so deadly they could wipe out cities, sink fleets, and travel faster than a bullet. From hypersonic missiles to nuclear sea drones, wait until you see what's ranked number 1. Let's begin with number 12, the BMPT Terminator, Russia's armored beast built for brutal street fights. This vehicle is 23.6 feet long and can move at speeds up to 37 miles per hour. It has a range of 342 miles and costs around $4 million. Only about 10 to 15 of these have been built so far. It needs a crew of 5 and is packed with firepower: 2 30mm autocannons, 4 Ataka anti-tank missiles, 2 grenade launchers, and a 7.62mm machine gun. The Terminator was designed to protect tanks in tight urban battles, where threats can come from rooftops, alleys, and underground. Its armor is tough, its weapons are fast, and it's made to survive where regular tanks would fail. At number 11, meet the TOS-1A Solnspia, also known as the Blazing Sun. This is not your average rocket launcher. It's a fearsome thermobaric system mounted on a tank chassis, designed to wipe out everything in its path. With a length of 23 feet and a top speed of 37 miles per hour, it's quick enough to support advancing troops. Its range is 6.2 miles, and it costs about $6.5 million. Around 45 to 50 of these have been built. Operated by a crew of 3, it fires 24 powerful 220mm rockets filled with fuel-air explosives. The blast creates a massive fireball that sucks oxygen from the air, devastating against bunkers, buildings, and enemy hideouts. It's not just a weapon, it's a rolling inferno. Now at number 10, we have Russia's most advanced battle tank, the T-90M Proryev. This 31.6-foot giant combines firepower, protection, and mobility into one deadly machine. It can reach speeds of 37 miles per hour and cover up to 342 miles on a full tank. Each unit costs around $4.5 million, and over 100 have already been built. With a crew of 3, it's armed with a 125mm smoothbore gun, a heavy 12.7mm cord machine gun, and a 7.62mm coaxial gun. The T-90M is equipped with modern armor, advanced sensors, and even defense systems that can deflect incoming missiles. It's a tank built not just to survive the battlefield, but to dominate it. Taking the 9th spot is the Su-30 Sem-2 Flanker EV, a highly advanced multi-role fighter jet built for both air combat and ground attack. It stretches 71.9 feet long and flies at a blistering top speed of 1,320 miles per hour. Its combat range reaches 1,860 miles, giving it long legs for deep strike missions. Each jet costs around $44 million, with more than 130 currently in service. The Su-30 Sem-2 has 2 pilots and is armed with a 30mm GS-30-1 cannon, along with a mix of deadly air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles. It's designed to track multiple targets, dodge enemy fire, and deliver precision strikes. In short, it's Russia's trusted workhorse in the sky. At number 8, we have the Su-35S Flanker E, a super-maneuverable multi-role fighter built for air dominance. This jet stretches 72 feet long and hits top speeds of 1,500 miles per hour. It can fly up to 2,200 miles without refueling, making it perfect for long-range missions. Each unit costs about $85 million, and over 100 have been produced. It has a single pilot and carries a 30mm cannon, along with 12 hardpoints for missiles and bombs. The Su-35S features advanced thrust vectoring engines, letting it dodge enemy missiles in ways few other jets can. It can track 30 targets at once and strike 8 at the same time. It may not be stealthy, but in a dogfight, it's lethal. Landing at number 7 is the MiG-31K, a supersonic interceptor modified to carry the deadly Kinsel hypersonic missile. This massive aircraft is 74.3 feet long and flies at 1,860 miles per hour. It has a range of 900 miles and is estimated to cost $33.2 million per unit. Around 10 to 12 of these have been modified for Kinsel operations. It carries a crew of 2 and is armed with the Ki-47M2 Kinsel missile, capable of reaching speeds up to Mach 10. This combination allows Russia to launch unstoppable strikes from the air with nuclear or conventional warheads. Once it's launched, there's almost no time to respond. It's a warning shot that can turn into the real thing. At number 6 is the Iskander-M, Russia's most feared tactical missile system. This mobile launcher is 23 feet long and fires short-range ballistic missiles that travel up to 5,400 miles per hour. With a range of 310 miles, it strikes targets with pinpoint accuracy. Each missile costs around $3 million, and up to 200 systems have been built. It requires a crew of 3 to 4 and launches the 9M723 ballistic missile, which can carry conventional or nuclear warheads. The missile can maneuver mid-flight, making it nearly impossible to intercept. It's not just a battlefield weapon. It's a psychological weapon that tells enemies, nowhere is safe. Breaking into the top 5 is the Su-57 Felon, Russia's first true stealth fighter. It's 65.6 feet long and reaches a top speed of 1,320 miles per hour. With a combat range of 2,200 miles, this jet is made for deep strike missions behind enemy lines. Each unit costs around $50 million, and about 20 have been produced so far. It's piloted solo and features internal weapons bays carrying air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, plus a 30mm cannon. The Su-57 was built to rival the F-22 and F-35 with stealth shaping, electronic warfare capabilities, and advanced sensors. It doesn't just fly under radar, it fights from the shadows. At number 4, we enter the realm of strategic nuclear firepower with the RS-24 Yars intercontinental ballistic missile. This road-mobile missile is 75 feet long and can reach blinding speeds of up to 19,000 miles per hour. It has a striking range of 6,800 miles, enough to hit targets across continents. Each unit is estimated to cost around $20 million, and more than 150 of these missiles are in service. The Yars carries multiple nuclear warheads using MIRV technology, making it capable of destroying several targets with one launch. It operates without a crew and is designed to launch from mobile platforms or silos. Built to bypass missile defense systems, the Yars is Russia's shield and its sharpest sword. Taking the third spot is the Bore-class submarine, Russia's newest nuclear-powered ballistic missile sub. This underwater behemoth is 557 feet long and can travel at 33 miles per hour while submerged. Thanks to its nuclear propulsion, it has unlimited range and can stay hidden beneath the oceans for months. Each unit costs around $890 million, and 4 are currently in service. With a crew of 107, it carries 16 Bulava submarine-launched ballistic missiles, each armed with multiple nuclear warheads. The Bore is designed for stealth and survivability. Its mission is to remain invisible until it's too late. This is Russia's silent second strike weapon, ready to fire back even after a nuclear attack. At number 2, we have something straight out of a nightmare: the Poseidon nuclear torpedo. This unmanned underwater weapon is 79 feet long and powered by a miniature nuclear reactor, giving it virtually unlimited range beneath the sea. It cruises at a speed of 81 miles per hour, operating at depths where very few detection systems can reach. Each unit is estimated to cost between $40 to $50 million, and Russia plans to build around 20 to 30 of them. It requires no crew and is armed with a massive nuclear warhead that could carry a yield of up to 100 megatons, enough to wipe out entire coastal cities in a single blast. The goal? To trigger a radioactive tsunami that not only destroys naval bases, but poisons the coastline for generations. Designed specifically to slip past traditional defenses, Poseidon isn't just a torpedo. It's a slow, silent apocalypse cruising beneath the surface. Topping the list at number 1 is a weapon that rewrites the rules of warfare: the Vanguard hypersonic glide vehicle. This isn't just the most advanced weapon in Russia's arsenal. It's the kind of system that keeps generals awake at night. This futuristic weapon is 17.7 feet long and travels at an almost unimaginable speed of up to 20,700 miles per hour. With a range exceeding 6,800 miles, it's capable of striking any target on Earth in just minutes. Each unit is estimated to cost between $40 to $50 million, and Russia plans to produce around 60 of them. It requires no crew and carries a nuclear warhead with a yield ranging from 0.8 to 2 megatons. What sets a Vanguard apart is how it operates. It's launched atop an intercontinental ballistic missile, then detaches and glides through the upper atmosphere at hypersonic speeds. While in flight, it can maneuver unpredictably to dodge missile defenses. It's not just fast, it's agile, intelligent, and nearly impossible to stop. A Vanguard is more than a weapon. It's a warning written in fire across the skies. Russia's most powerful weapons aren't just built to defend, they're built to terrify. From stealth fighters to nuclear sea monsters, each one sends a clear message: don't mess with Moscow. Subscribe for more powerful military deep dives, and don't forget to like, share, and comment with your favorite from the list.